Hindi na magpayak. Where's your nose? Where's your beautiful eyes? Where's your teeth?
Suot mo di bago?
Where's your ears? Ears. Where's your head? Where's your armpit?
Regalo mo naman?
Your neck. Your stomach. Stomach.
Ay. Ay.
Stomach. How old are you? How old are you? Yeah. Where's your toes?
Tama mo regalo, Papa.
Your toes. Yes. Very good. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to Daddy. Beautiful. Flying kiss. Flying kiss.
Pati ni Eric.